YouTube? Welcome to another Broke Misfits video. I am Olivia, the sister of the man behind the camera, and today we are going to be checking out the Raptor. We're going to be seeing what CJ has done to the Raptor and what he plans on doing, and also he is my husband, so that makes this video even cooler. So let's go check out what he plans on doing.
So we've got a 2010 Raptor. It's a 5.4. Didn't get the 6.2, but I got a pretty good deal on it, so I'm not too worried about it. It was wrecked in the front when I got it. Let's hit here. So we're gonna cut all the old supports and everything off. I've got a brand new support system for it here. It's getting the 2017 updated clip on it, which the hood here is already on. You can see here it's a 4-inch raise and a 4.5-inch flare, wider than the stock. We've got 37s on it right now with Dirty Life Racing bead locks. We're pretty much just waiting right now to get the frame painted up so we can start swapping parts over. It's got a lift on it right now, that's coming off. So you don't really need a lift with a Raptor. So you can fit a 37 on it stock. While moving it up to mid-perch on the front coilover. Inside's got a few things wrong with it, but nothing major. It's missing the airbag, a few random parts from tearing it apart in there. But it should be a pretty fun little truck when I get it done. It's got 152,000 miles on it.
Nice.
Full leather. Nicest truck I've ever owned, interior-wise. Should be the most reliable too, hopefully.
Yeah.
A lot better than those diesels.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and this was, I don't know if you guys remember, this was, well, this is my brother-in-law, and he had that 6.4 F-250 that ran over our drift car that we had. And but he sold that. Now he has this project going on, and the bed's over here. And then you got mountains of extra parts for it.
Yep, I
already
just bought a bed rack. I got a smoking deal on it. And then I picked up some new coilovers for the front of it. Well, struts. They call them struts. They're the Fox Racing. They're brand new in the box. I got them for 300 bucks. So that was a pretty good deal on it.
Nice.
And then I got an RPG bump stop kit for the back, so when we jump it, it will have a nice soft landing.
Yeah.
And won't bend the frame, because it also strengthens the frame up. You can check out the rest of the fenders and stuff in the headlights.
Okay.
One of the headlights are actually in the truck.
I'll go check all that out.
I got the other one at home still, but...
Oh yeah.
2017 headlight.
Yeah.
It's got the LED that goes around the outside.
Those are gorgeous.
Projector in it. This is one of my favorite parts of the new frame that's going on it.
Yeah, this is gonna be sweet. And then this build has been on our Instagram for a while now, and it's just the first time it's made an appearance on our channel.
Yeah.
So, and then you also
some snow, so we had to go do some snowmobiling.
Yeah. And then CJ actually has his own Instagram for this truck build. So I'll put all the links for that down below, including Broke Misfits Instagram and his Instagram.
So we can start it up for the camera.
Okay, yep, here we go. Sounds throaty.
Yeah, it's got a good deep tone to it.
Yeah, that sounds good.
This has some cool features if you're not familiar with the Raptor. It's got, it comes from the stock with some extra auxiliary switches, and it's got an off-road mode in it, which is pretty cool. It changes the shift pattern and stuff, so it doesn't shift in and out of gears quick. It'll stay in gear longer.
Nice.
So as like you're approaching a corner and you let off it, it's not going to downshift and then shift back up again. Sorry, buddy. We might have to cut that part out.
Child abuse.
This is my dad's garage. We've got a few projects going on in here. It's a 1940 Ford cab we just picked up. We're not sure what we're going to do with it yet, but
Yeah, definitely.
he's working on a 2000 V10 right now with 100,000 miles on it. We're putting a Georgia rust-free body on it. Make a nice daily driving truck for him when he's all done. And then maybe we can take
There's no way you can hear anything right now. Yeah, definitely lots of sweet projects in here.
Here's the rest of the front end. Got it's a Fiberworks swap kit. These are the front fenders. These are the fender extensions, or some people call them the headlight wings. I've got the grill over there. It all came with the truck when I bought it. I got it all in a package deal. Not sure I'm going to use that grill. I really want to put the Raptor one that says Ford in it on it. But we'll see what happens. And I got a full set of doors with it that are off a truck with 50,000 miles, so they're rust free.
Nice.
Which that's a big thing in Michigan to get rust free.
Yeah.
So. But that's most of the parts I have out here.
Gotcha. Alright guys, so we got the bump stops here.
Yep, this is the RPG bump stop. It bolts on the frame on the outside on both sides. There's one here and one there. There's a crossbar that goes in between them. This is the Gen 1 Raptors had a problem with them. When you started jumping them with the stock bump stop location, it would bend the frame. So this strengthens the frame and gets rid of that problem for the most part, as long as you're not beating on it too hard, which it's going to be my daily driver, so I don't plan on that. But we'll see. I'm going to add a couple more bars to strengthen it all up while I've got it all apart. And we'll see what happens there, but it should be pretty good.
Nice.
So then I've got the wheels over here. I've got one more I got to mount, and then I got to get 2 more tires.
There's a red light on the camera.
For
yeah.
them, but they're pretty happy with them. They look real good. I'm gonna make some custom center caps for them at work. Right here out of some billet aluminum, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna put on it yet. It's gonna be a surprise. I got a couple ideas, but we'll just have to wait and see, I guess.
Yeah. And then this is just kind of like what would you call this video? Just like a little.
Just like a little intro.
Yeah, a little rundown to the build, I guess.
Rundown of
What's
what the plans are for it, what I've done to it so far.
And then hopefully I can come back next time when you got some parts to put on.
Yeah.
And I can get some.
Monday I'm going to be painting the frame.
Okay.
So I think in about 2 weeks I'll start swapping parts over onto the new frame.
Yeah. So hopefully I'll be able to catch all that and put it up on the channel.
Yep.
And so yeah, and then as of right now we got the Raptor build going, Garrett's SRT Jeep, Josh's Jeep. I think those are the 3 main ones right now. So lots of stuff going on. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe so you guys don't miss it all. And then of course daily updates on our Instagram. And what do you say? That's about it.
Yeah, let's go check out the Bronco.
Okay, let's do it.
The Bronco's a 68 Bronco. Me and my dad have been working on it for a couple years now. Other projects got in the way, so it got pushed back a few times, but the plan is to get it done this year. It's got a 90 Mustang motor in it with a set of twin turbos on it. So it should be going to the dyno here
Really?
pretty soon.
Here we go.
Oh,
yeah.
Bronco. It's got twin turbos. It was just a, is it a CXR racing kit, I believe. We're just getting it together. We're going to end up redoing some of this tube when we get it all together and get it going. But just to get it going, we're just leaving what we have for now.
Yeah.
The exhaust is going to exit out the front fender here on each side.
You got the circles for it and everything.
Yep, we got that cut out for it. Or we don't have it cut out yet, but it's on 37s. I think we're going to end up lowering it down a little bit. Get some different wheels to get a better offset, make it lower and wider.
Gotcha.
Make it look a little more stable.
Yeah, this hasn't been out and about in a while.
Yeah, it's been probably 3 years since we've had it out. But we cut all the front end off it and built a full tube structure for it to hold the front fenders on. And some people freak out about that because it's a early Bronco. And
Yeah.
like, well, we bought it to drive it and wheel it. So.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely lots of sweet projects going on in here.
Yep. Yeah, we just sold the 29 sedan we had. That one would have been a sweet one, but that's more money to put into the Bronco, I guess.
Yeah.
But that's about it for this one.